For space roller, we need sellotape, scissors, a piece of cardboard, balloon, any kinds of dice, a small piece of straw, and kebab sticks. And I have covered my cardboard, one side of my cardboard, with a printed sheet of paper. We'll turn the cardboard, take a small piece of straw, keep it over here, and make sure your straw should be straight. We are going to take another straw and put it over here. And it's done. Now we are going to take one kebab stick. Put one dice in it. Put it in the straw like this. Take one more dice and have to like this. Now we'll do the same with the another dice. Take other dice. Like this. Now we are going to flip it carefully. We are going to take the balloon and one more piece of straw. We are going to tie so that when we fill up air, the air does not come out. Like this. Now let's test it. First we will fill it up with air. See? I'll show you once more.